Hello, this is an introduction video for Application Note 140. You will learn how to perform deep learning inference on a Samsung ARTIK 710 via a face recognition application. A Samsung ARTIK 710 and a micro SD card are required. We used a subset of MS Celeb 1M database, which is a photo compilation of 6 different celebrities with a total of 678 images or over 100 images per celebrity. This app node is a software package including code for training and inference. The training process is run on an NVIDIA Tizen X GPU server. After training is done, the user saves the deep learning model file and transfers it to ARTIK 710 for inference. The inference result shows which celebrity is who, with up to 91% accuracy. This application node and source code can be downloaded from artik.io. Happy coding!